Yo, welcome back. It's your boy Desi. And as you see, I got some padding fakes of Crown Zenith. Ain't gonna lie, I don't think I might have opened Crown Zenith, but I don't remember opening any padding fakes. And if I did, it was a long time ago. Well, for me, a long time ago, like a month ago. But I don't remember. This when I was kind of getting back into opening cards and didn't know much about what's in them. There's so much in this Crown Zenith, I don't really know what I'm looking for. I am looking for the Pikachu, and the Pikachu is pretty fire. But we're gonna start with Pouting Fakes. Then we're gonna go do the Crown Zenith. Let's get this thing rolling. Okay. And Scarlet Rising, Suzuki. Gold card. Can't remember what that means. One to the front. Let's go ahead and go. We're just gonna go through these. Lapras, Junior. Nice. Did I miss card? No, that okay. Barbotch. Withhold, and turn, primate, Pineco, that Frog Boss, and Iron Threads EX. Okay, alright. I'll take the Iron Threads EX. Let's go. Alright. So, yeah, I gotta go check out the card list again and see what I want from this. Code card. Alright. Let's go. The cards are kind of thick. The Dean. Why these cards feel extra thick? Normani, not two. Rare Candy, Camerupt, what's that? Atticus, Donphin, Shiny Snover. Let's go. Reverse Artizone and Hollow Magmortar. But I got a shiny. Okay, take that. Shiny it up. I like getting shiny. Shinies are pretty cool. I did have one here. Bam. Drop the card, picking it up, getting it up. Alright, let's go. Powder Face. Okay. I got 2 hits. Two out of 5 packs. Let's see what else I get. I don't know. Mikey. I don't know. Backwards. Alright. Fighting Energy. LeChunk. Execute. Ghastly. Relax. Whimsicott. What's that? Scrafty. Ultra Ball. Mill. Antennamus. And Executor. Hollow. Okay. So 2 out of the 5 I got to hit so far. These are popping open like butter. Alright. Alright, Water Energy. Yakutini. Michael. Mid. Maracactus. Nestball. What? I know. Moonlight Hill. Reverse Pikachu. And Paladin Students. Full art. Let's go. I like it. Sucky thing is, I don't know what's like the top card. But y'all know, if you know me, you know me. And anything that's a full art or ES or anything that's higher than a hollow, unless it's my favorite card or like a Pokemon I really like, I'm down for it. So don't worry, ain't nothing negative coming my way when it comes to getting hits. Bang. So Screw, Ubat, okay, Happy, Dealing, Ubat again, Clive, Uncle, whatever his name, Okie Dokie Artichoke, Uncle reverse out of the students, annihilate, and reverse and hollow. Okay, Paladin Face got me 3 hits out of that. Alright, Crown Zenith. It's 8 packs. We can get some good out of 8 packs. Let's go. There's Arceus, there's Entei in there, there's a Sokun, there's a couple cards I couldn't even pronounce the name. Code card, so we'll see. See what I get. Oh, but this ain't this. I'm gonna just go through these because I don't know card trick. Okay. Nah. Not Sinks. Mr. Mime. Reverse. Pokemon Center. Taurus. Is it 3? It must be 3 or 4. Energy. 19 and Thingy Duo. I didn't get nothing. Unless I'm just horrible at this. Hold on real quick. Let me look at this real quick. This must be my rare Victoria. Okay. And what was this? Okay. Cool. Probably gotta do like 3 or 4. Try 4. We'll get it right. Alright. Code card. We'll try 4. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Might be right. Alright, 4. Water. Energy switch. Freaking shoes. Lunaton. Panard. Tingala. Balto. Toy. Meow. Lumber. Volcanion. Asma. And then thick. Executor. Alright. Nothing yet. Nothing yet that I know of. We could have got something that could be all wrong. Did pop right here. Did hear pop. Go card. I don't know if that messed up. Well, I got this. That comes V. Yeah, look at that one. I think that's the lower one. I take it. And it's our card. It's Great Ball. Timing. Sinks. And then I got the hollow energy, which I actually really like those. I like that. Okay. Come on, Crown Zenith. Get your boy up with some fire. Some more. Oh. Let me rip that away. Some more heat. There we go. Code card here. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Carter. Saddle. Scops. Maintain egg. Hulu. Sphinx. Or not. Then Snorlax. Hollow Nessie. Okay. That's all. Let's say, yeah. Alright. We're just flying through these things, trying to see what we got. What did I look? I don't even know. 1, 2, 3, 4. I only got 1 on Crown Zenith. Come on, Crown Zenith. Get your boy. Cool. Whatever. Sometimes. More. Office. Artist. Seal. Reverse. Executor. Okay. There you got 1 out of the what? How many we did? We did 5 so far. Got 3 left. Actually, technically got 2 because we got the energy, and I really like the energy. All those. So we'll figure it out. But this is not Ooh, I'm gonna just do it like that. And then we're gonna go that way. And go Lux, Digging Duo, Shy Mine, Pokeball, Corfish, Artist Shield, Red, Tangle Growth, and regular Tangle Growth. The Disrespect. And we reverse it. Alright, got 2 more left. Only got 1 hit. Please give your boy something. Like, I want something hot. Fire. So we got the fire, battle, Dusclops, main tag, Tangela, Beltoy, Meow, well, Sinks, yeah, that Sinks, Rapid Strike, Reverse, or nothing. Alright, last one. Let's see if we got last pack magic or the Crown Zenith just do me dirty. Crown Zenith might have did me dirty. I was super excited about this Crown Zenith. Did your boy dirty. Go back to opening up what's the one from Everybody Love. Not Crown Zenith. What's the one everybody love from the older packs? Some Sword and Shield. Sharp, Digging Duo, Ultra Ball, Pan, Switch. Look like I got full art training card, but I don't know. Laurent. Ooh, Cynthia that mission. Full art, I'll take that. Okay, last pack magic. We got something. That's a really pretty card too. So, your boy, get that sleeved up. Well, this was a quick one. Just wanted to get that out there. Do this Crown Zenith, see what we got. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Really help your boy out. And Desi Mon is out. Take care now. Bye bye then. Peace.